So Interact's an event that's aimed at parents as well as professionals, because I think it's really important that we can all work together and that we all learn at the same level. But during the day, I want to give people as many opportunities as possible to learn different skills. So today was focused on offering a diverse range of skills which parents and professionals can learn together, the hands-on stuff they can take away and use it immediately, so they don't have to go on to another course. Then they can go away and explore that more and, you know, personalise it even more to the young people they support.
I would really recommend everybody thinks about coming to Interact. It's a unique opportunity to learn hands-on skills that you may never have come across. I think as well as the presentations, it's been fantastic talking to the other delegates, talking to the other presenters, and I've learned so much from the whole day.
This is all based on, well, not all based, but mainly based on call and response. All we've got to do is yell back after me. Hello? Hello? All right? All right. It's as hard as it gets. To use the S word again, it's sustainable. It means that people can go back with tools for making their jobs more effective.
Isn't it funny?
Isn't it funny?
Bears like honey.
Bears like honey.
In it!
In it!
It was simply great fun, you know, it's very practical, very down to earth. Oh yes.
If you could all just put your hands out like that for me, please. So 1, 2, 3. Just start to think about the sensation you can feel in your hands. Really focus in on that. What's often really special about these days is you've got these incredible talks and workshops going on and so much learning, but it's almost the gaps in between that are, you know, equally if not more wonderful, because you get to share with other people who are trying to do the same sort of thing as you. They tell you what they've done in their places and their settings, and you learn from each other, and it's very rewarding to share time with like-minded people who are trying to achieve the same aims as you.
Interact's been great because I've been able to learn from other people who are doing really interesting things. They're quite specialised things, and I think sometimes we just need a bit of time out to think, okay, is there an area that I can really develop? And the music this morning was amazing, and I've come away with really buzzing about ideas. And I'm not a musician, but there's some really practical ideas. The same with a sensory room. I think all of us can learn from each other, and what's been great about Interact is that our practitioners, they're doing it and coming away with these amazing ideas.
I wanted to come to Interact because it's a fantastic day with lots and lots of information and lots of ideas for classroom and for the wider world.
Yeah, it was wonderful to see everyone just learning as they go.
If anyone was considering coming to an Interact event, I would absolutely say do it. Get on a train, get on a bus, get in the car, get here, because you will take away so much from the day.
I think there's a saying, tell me and I'll forget, show me I might understand, but involve me and I'll remember.